What is up, YouTube? ThriftSchool over here, and fresh out of the shower, we are looking at Amazon news right now. They just announced this morning, I'm looking on Amazon's website, that they are temporarily prioritizing products coming into the fulfillment centers. So until April 5th, 2020, they are not accepting just plain old Amazon FBA shipments. So if you sell things like CDs or toys, you're out of luck. I actually have a big shipment getting ready behind me of a couple hundred items. I can't ship them into Amazon right now. So I am kind of in limbo for a month, as are all of you that sell on Amazon. Now, this is why I don't like to keep all my eggs in one basket. You gotta sell on multiple platforms. I talk about it all the time. I have so many people in my comments saying, oh, Amazon FBA is so easy, I wouldn't do eBay. eBay's a pain. I know I hate selling clothing. It is a pain, but it's a good thing I sell a little bit of it because that's extra money coming in. I'm going to prioritize eBay for the next month. And I have to, right? I'm going to prioritize eBay and YouTube. I make some money on YouTube. I make money on eBay and Amazon, and I do a little bit of local sales, but local sales are all the way down right now. Nobody wants to meet in public right now with everything that's going on. So with Amazon temporarily for a month suspending FBA shipments going in, what are your guys' plans? I'll show you some of my backlog, some of my inventory that needs to be listed on eBay, and I'm actually super happy to have a death pile right now. You know, normally I hate looking at this crap, but it's nice because all the stuff that's going to Amazon, I'm gonna have to just kind of put in a corner, and it's just gonna take up a lot of space right now. I was getting ready to ship it in this week because here in Connecticut, we are pretty much quarantined in right now. All restaurants are closed, all bars are closed. I'm sure it's that way around the rest of the country right now. Everything's shut down. So we are just hanging out at home. We have enough supplies, we have enough everything. We're good like that. I am talking to a few people for the YouTube channel, a few companies that want to sponsor certain videos, and one of them is a item, not really an item, but I don't want to talk about it if I don't get sponsored by them. I don't know what's going on yet, but it's a product, another way to make money in times like this, which is super helpful to my audience. I've actually done it before and it does work, so that's cool. Maybe that'll come up in a video this week, but let me show you guys some of my backlog and some of my inventory that I'm going to be listing on eBay, and you guys should do the same since Amazon is on a month-long hiatus. Alright guys, so this is on the floor behind me. This stuff was going out to Amazon. This entire box right here of some games and CDs. These two bins of CDs. These ones were still getting processed. And that's a lot of items. I mean, we're talking probably like 250 CDs or so. And then all these toys and stuff on top. This stuff was damaged goods. Somebody was gonna buy this chair, so I brought it up to my office to take dimensions to ship it, and then he decided not to buy it, so I gotta bring that back downstairs. And then this is all stuff I was going to test to put on Amazon in this shipment, these Xboxes and stuff. So all this stuff on the ground here, I have to find a new place for it since I can't ship it off now. It kind of stinks, but once I get this out of here, I'll have extra room. Now, we do have some eBay stuff to get listed. I'll show you. Okay, right here we have some Funko Pops that were a little damaged and I didn't want to send them into Amazon. I'll show you exactly what I mean. This one just wasn't worth much, but like this guy right here, he's got some weird staining and discoloration down in the corner, so I was going to throw him up on eBay so people can see. And I think the same goes with this one right here. Yeah, see, he's got some water stains on the bottom, but everything's new inside. So these two are going to go on eBay. We have some random game guides and random things. You can see my stack of CDs here. These were all supposed to go to Amazon, but I buy a lot of CDs in huge lots, so you're gonna get duds, and these ones actually ended up being duds, or the discs were either cracked or too scratched to fix. And then we have a comic lot that I have to get listed. I've kind of been piling stuff here. I bought a lot of calculators, and one came broken, so I'm like, oh, I'll fix it. I'll take it apart and figure out what's wrong. And I figured out what was wrong. There's supposed to be another pin on this side, and it's missing. So it's not making contact with these little gold spots right here. So that's why it's not powering on. The other ones work, so that's good, but I bought a lot of 3 of them for $100, which is not a bad deal, honestly, for all TI-84 pluses. But this one isn't working. And it wasn't mentioned in the... So I could return it, but what I'm going to do is just get a little piece of metal and stick it right there so it's touching the contact, and it should work fine. So, testing my skills since I'm stuck here anyways. Why not? Here is that Amazon thing I was reading. Alright, and look at all this craziness. These are PC games that I purchased in a huge bundle not long ago. I don't know if that video ever came out, but I kind of got scammed. If you want to see that video, it's either coming soon or you've already seen it. These are just all big box PC games. All these ones are good in these bags right here. I paid $100 for all of them, so they're taking up a lot of space. These will get listed on eBay anyways. We have a bunch of randomness here that I purchased from a local buy. All of this was within like 2 days, so I have to get all this listed and out of here. So yeah, we still have a whole bunch of that kind of stuff in here and here. Now some of this obviously has to go to Amazon, and that stuff I'll hold on to, but all the eBay stuff we will get listed because I need to get that money. Otherwise I'll be real broke this month. My Amazon sales will take a large hit, just like I'm sure most of yours will. But so this is a backlog. This is good to have. Not all the time, obviously, but I am glad that I bought a whole bunch of stuff recently. I mean, I haven't even been able to come out here and work on this stuff because I was working on that Amazon shipment, and this was all going to be for, you know, in a week or so when I have time, and now I have time. So now it's time to get to work. So I really hope that you guys have something to help you out in this time. I mean, to be honest, eBay, Amazon, YouTube, you can sell on other platforms. There's Poshmark, there's Mercari, there's Depop, Grail. There's all these different platforms to sell on. So do not put all your eggs in one basket. Sending things into Amazon is a no-go, but you can still list on eBay. Now, you can still sell on Amazon as a merchant. I could list all this stuff as a merchant for a month, but then I'd have to convert everything over that I was getting ready to do for FBA, so I'm just gonna leave it for now. It's okay. That stuff doesn't need to be sold right away. Going out to Goodwill, going out to thrift stores is on a temporary pause. I don't even think they're open here anymore, so I can't even go to those for the next 30 days, I think it is. Yeah, there's a huge estate sale coming up this weekend that I might go to. I'm not 100% sure. In reality, I'm just staying home, I'm cleaning. The house is pretty clean right now. There's some gloves right here because I was doing yard work outside, but besides that, I've already cleaned the house twice. There's not much for me to do besides list on eBay, post on YouTube, so you guys will be getting a lot of videos. Just, you know, stay positive, really. I'm still pretty positive. I woke up seeing Tom Brady's not going back to the Patriots, so if this is the first time you're hearing that, cool, that's good. I'm a Dolphins fan, so that was kind of nice. It's kind of weird, but it's also kind of nice. I'm not sure. So yeah, I'm just kind of chilling. I'm gonna be hanging out with Soph. I'll give you guys a quick Soph moment, and then we are gonna get to work. So let me know down below in the comments what you guys are doing to combat this. If you have any other ideas to make money or anything really, please let me know, because we're all kind of at a standstill right now. Here's my pup. My little pup. Hey baby, what's going on? So Soph, she doesn't know anything's wrong. She's just been having a good time. She's very happy it snowed last night, and she got to run outside and play in it this morning, and she probably will 10 more times today. But for now, she's just gonna sleep in the bed, wag her tail, meaning she wants more pets, and then it stops instantly. She's such a weirdo. But yeah, guys, so, you know, look on the bright side. Look on the positive side. I am having a good time. You know, it was kind of sad news when I woke up and saw that I wouldn't be able to send things into Amazon, especially since how much of it is taking up my office. And I was just going to ship that out, you know, today, tomorrow, or the next day. So it happens. You know what? You just got to take it and figure something else out. So again, you know, leave a comment down below. If you have any questions about reselling or anything, I will do my best to get to them, and it'll give me ideas for future videos since I'm stuck home all week, and actually for the next 2 weeks. Everything's shut down for at least minimum 2 weeks here. So let me know anything and I'll make videos, and like if you haven't already, subscribe if you haven't already. This is ThriftSchool signing out. See ya. Alright guys, I'm sitting here in my office and I am about to upload the video, and I just was reading more things about it. I don't know if you guys want to do this, but now I'm realizing that since nobody can ship things into Amazon, there's going to be probably a shortage of whatever you have listed, whether it be a hot selling video game, a toy, something like that. So don't try to like compete on prices like crazy right now, since you have a month of these items not being able to be sent in. If you have a repricer, maybe shut it off, because once these people start selling out, your item yeah, your item will then sell. So that's just something I think I'm gonna do. My repricer is shut off right now. I figured I'd give you guys the heads up as well, because you don't want to be really leaving money on the table right now, since you won't be able to be making any extra money. So do anything you can at the moment to kind of make sure that you're still safe, you still have money to pay bills. If you're living paycheck to paycheck, let's say you just started doing Amazon FBA full time, you're like, all right, this is great, I'm making great money, and you don't have a lot of money saved up, this could really, really hurt. So don't worry about trying to be the lowest price right now. I know I see a lot of listings where people are undercutting by $10, $15, right? Trying to get the quick sales because they need the money right now. Well, once they sell out, nobody else is coming on that listing for the time being. So, especially with your Amazon FBA items, just try to, not kill people on the price. I think the items will still sell pretty quick.